Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2015 Chevy Camaro. I'm going to show you how to take the tail lights out. It's actually pretty simple once you know. Now there's three types of tail lights for this. You need to call a dealer to find out which kind you have. There are LED ones and there are regular headlights with regular bulbs and HID. On this one, it's got an HID. And what I did was I called the dealer, and if it's got HID headlights, then you have to put the HID tail light in. I'm going to show you how to get it out, change the bulbs or replace it. In this case, it's going to be a replacement. You can see these three push-ins, clips. We're going to get them out. So you open the hood to get to them. We're working on the other side, so already got two of them out. I'm going to show you how to get the third one. Stick a screwdriver in here and kind of work it up a little bit. You get a little tool or clip tool or angle cutter, fire cutter, whatever you want to call it. Lift that up. Then once you got all three out, you lift it up. And now the idea is to look what's holding it in. So there's two 7mm screws here. We're going to take them out. I've actually already got them loosened up because I started on it before I made the video. So now they're out. Now I'm going to look for any other screws. I don't see anything, or brackets. So I know that these have a clip in the back. I have the new one here. This is the LED, like I said, HID style with LED. And I see there's a little pressure clip here. There's a little pin here. They're usually in there pretty tight, so we are going to pull it out with a little force. There's that. Well, it wasn't too hard. That's the one. Alright, so now it's out. We got to disconnect the harness, and this is a slide clip. So we have to slide this clip forward to release it. See how that came out? And then we'll pull on it. And that's it. And this one was replaced because it had like a little crack in it from an accident. Now we're just going to assemble it, put the new one in, put the clip on, and that's it. Joe Beermaster.